What's up, YouTube? Back with another post here. Me and my son recently were fortunate enough to win a Ukiah portable fire pit, the Tailgater X, and we just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys and kind of take it out of the box, see how it feels, and set it up. Hi, Odin. This is Odin. And kind of test it out and show you guys how it works. I'll give you this. Yep, you can open it. Odin. Be very careful. Balloon as well. Very good. I'll take this. Show them what's that, the lid?
This is the lid.
You go to the top? You want to set that down right there for now? Looks like we got some parts. Here's some parts and stuff. Let's see, what else we got here? Open it.
Open it.
Here is our propane hose. Okay, you want to scoot over a little bit? There you
Oh, this is a storage bag.
go. Oh, nice. Probably goes over the top, or we'll figure it out. All right. Odin, are you helping? This might be the rocks that go inside. Can you pull this out? See how it handles? Yeah, right here. Right there. And then right here. Can you grab that out? Let's see how heavy it is for you. And then one here. You can use two hands. Alright, set it down, gentle. Hi, Odin. Let's see. Turn it this way.
Oh, you don't want to hold this? Want to help us? You don't want to help? Okay.
He does.
But he doesn't. When it takes my garbage.
He didn't take the garbage.
Yep, he brings it off.
You want to start opening the hose package?
Yes. Odin, your favorite.
They glued this down, so can't get it off very easily.
They glue everything down.
Yeah, they glued on the chain here.
Odin, your favorite. What?
Just some of the warning stuff here they chained on.
Look at Odin. He likes bubble wrap.
Okay, forward move.
Dad, look, Odin likes bubble wrap.
Don't give him the trash.
Give me. Odin. Drop it. Odin, drop it. Odin.
Here's the propane hose, and it just has a quick connect.
Odin, drop.
We get this set up.
Odin, drop it. He doesn't want to give me back my bubble wrap. I was popping it for him, and he stole it. Okay. Let me open this box.
Yeah, go ahead and open that. Just like that, quick connects.
Dad, I was popping the bubble wrap for Odin. He stole it. He won't give it back.
Let's see what's in here.
Oh,
Got our manual
we have a knife.
and a battery. What could we use the battery for?
Yeah, let's not.
See if we need to know anything. We'll get it from a minute. Let's make this up. Oh, here we go. 40. Oh. Okay, so before, gotta put the battery in the igniter. Okay, got the battery in. Hopefully I put it in the right direction.
I'm gonna put the lid on.
We don't want the lid on yet.
Oh, the lid is magnetized.
Yeah, here. Put these in. These just go in the top here.
It has the
Is it a magnet?
and it has magnets.
That's probably enough of the rocks.
So pop it on.
Is it lined up right?
It doesn't even need a hook on.
There it
It's
goes.
just magnets.
Okay, now take the lid off.
Odin, can you come here?
Take the lid off, right? Come on, Odin. Hey, get out of the shot for a sec. Okay, we got propane on. Let's see.
I turn it.
Check that off. Tilt this for a minute.
Hey, come here. Look, say hi. Say hi, look.
Oh. All right. Ready to give this another shot?
Yep.
Okay, gas is on. Don't put your face near it, obviously. Now try. Oh, yep. I hear the burner, the igniter going now.
I can't turn it all the way. Oh, I think I gotta.
You got, hear that? It's waiting for you to put gas in. There you go.
How do I
Perfect.
turn it high?
Huh?
How'd you do that?
I just kept turning it. So that's full blast?
Yeah.
I
Let's
don't
see
know.
how far I feel it from. About here.
That's pretty nice, actually. Yeah, I love it. It's gonna be really hot, broski. The feel of it is really nice. Feels really durable.
Look, even if you go low,
It's pretty lightweight. Yeah, dude, don't be. You put your hand in the fire, it's gonna hurt.
you still feel it from at least
What
here.
kids are goofballs. Setup was super easy. I mean, this whole video, look how long this whole one cut is, even though we're gonna cut it down. Oh, Odie's coming.
12 minutes.
12 minutes? Okay, so yeah, we've been doing this for 12 minutes and we're gonna cut it down, just make it a little shorter, obviously. Some of the in-between stuff. Bean's checking it out. And this is the Ukiah Tailgater X. I don't know necessarily if it's gonna be our camping unit. However, it's definitely gonna be our backyard unit and maybe beach trip unit.
Maybe s'mores.
We can definitely make s'mores on it. Should we try some tonight, maybe?
Go to the store again.
We might have to get some chocolate. I think we have graham crackers and marshmallows.
You get sticks.
We'll come back later tonight and show you guys whether or not we make s'mores. We'll see you later. Okay, so we realized our fur friends were maybe in the way a little bit. So we're gonna show you how to quick connect this and get it started. So, yep, pull off that cap, pull out that cap. So this, you have to slide this back.
I know.
Yep, and then just push it on. It's just a quick connect. Yep, there you go. Just put it straight on. Push. There you go. Clicked in. Okay, now turn on the propane over there. Just loosen that knob on top. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Turn hard. Did you get it?
I can't get it.
A little too tight. All right, so we'll do that. All right, you fired it up last time. Here, Odie. Come over here, Odie. Just hold it until it catches fire. Back up, Odin. Now give it some gas. There it goes. Nice. Now set it where you want it, because you're gonna make s'mores.
There.
Okay.
The dog's inside.
Bean and Odie. Nice. Without coals, s'mores are a little bit difficult, we're finding. Putting it near the flame tends to catch on fire, but we're figuring it out. Looks good though.